Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Asha Gowda. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing my top 10 favorite lipsticks that are suitable for Indian skin tones. And I have a bunch of nude lipsticks which can be worn on day-to-day basis by office-going ladies or for college-going girls. The perk here is that some of these lipsticks are transfer-proof so that there won't be any hassle for you guys to reapply it again and again. And along with this, I also have some of the red lipsticks which can be worn on your Indian outfits as well. In addition, all of these lipsticks are so affordable and they are under 500. If you go on Nykaa, there will be offers running on, so grab them when they are in the offer. The first lipstick which I have is from Maybelline and it is from their City Brick range and it's in the shade Soho Nude, that is 04. This shade is perfect for college going girls because it is a nude shade, plus it also got a hint of orange tint to it. It looks so youthful and so fresh. You can also use it as a blush. Currently I am using the same shade on my lips. So I am showing you the color in the natural light. The lipstick is very creamy and moisturizing, yet it looks matte on the lips. The staying power of the lipstick is 3 to 4 hours. The price of this lipstick is $299, but in the offer you will get it from $179. Next lipstick is again from Maybelline and it's from their City Brick range. It's in the shade Brooklyn Bear, that is 03. This shade is so similar to the previous one, that is the Soho Nude one, but it is little darker than that shade. It is a nude shade, but it got a tint of rusty orangey kind of a tint. Again, the texture of the lipstick is very creamy. It glides like a butter on your lips. The staying power of this lipstick is 3 to 4 hours. It is not a transfer proof lipstick. And the price ranges from $200 to $299. The next lipstick is from Wet n Wild and this is my cult favorite. It is a liquid lipstick and it is in the shade Give Me Mocha. The shade is so gorgeous and it suits everyone, literally it suits every Indian skin. This is a liquid lipstick, as the staying power of this lipstick is more than that of the bullet lipstick. It is very lightweight on the lips. You don't even feel like you are wearing anything on your lips. The price of this lipstick is $599, but the sale price starts from $359. The next lipstick is again from Maybelline, not a sponsored one. I just love their shade range so much. Like, I have so many lipsticks from this brand. I just love the shade. You can literally see that it's almost over now. Bas itna hi bacha hai. The shade name is Nude Neons. It is one of the popular shades from Maybelline. Like, everyone uses this shade. It is a brown nude shade, but it got a pink undertone to it. Again, the texture is quite similar to other Maybelline lipstick. It is creamy and very buttery. The price of this lipstick is $299, but due to the offers, it ranges from $150 to $299. The next shade is from Maybelline. Again, it is their liquid lipstick and it's from the shade called Amazonian. And this lipstick stays forever. Like, if you wear it in the morning, it will be on your lips whole day. Until and unless you remove it from an oil-based remover, it won't come off. So yeah. This can be your everyday nude lipstick because it is very beautiful shade and it's a liquid lipstick, hence the staying power is more. It is little bit drying on the lips, so apply a lip balm before applying this liquid lipstick. The price of this lipstick is $699, but the sale price ranges from $400 to $600. The last one from the nude category, definitely it is not a lipstick, it is the lip liner, but I thought of adding this one because it is a beautiful nude shade. So this lip pencil is from PAC and it is in the shade called Mauve. PAC lip liners are the most affordable lip liners in the market. They are so creamy and comfortable on the lips. The price of this lip liner is $220, but the sale price starts from $203. So enough of nude lipstick, let me begin with the red lipsticks now. The first one in the red lip category which I have is from Inside. It is not the exact red color, it got a hint of pinkish tint to it, but at the same time it looks like a red one. So yeah, let me swatch this one for you guys. The staying power of Insight lipsticks are more than that of the Maybelline Bullet lipsticks, but the stain of this lipstick doesn't go easily, so that's the only problem. These lipsticks are the most affordable ones. The price of this lipstick is 125.
The next shade which I have is again from Maybelline, and it's in the shade Craving Coral.
This shade is kinda orangish red one. However, it is not that creamy compared to the other Maybelline lipstick, but it is a beautiful color. The price of this lipstick is $299, but due to the sale prices, it ranges from $200 to $299.
The next lipstick which I have is from Insight, and it's in the shade Red Rum, that is 19.
This is the metallic lipstick and it got a very beautiful sheen to it. The staying power of this lipstick is 5 to 6 hours. It is very creamy on the lips, but the only problem is the stain doesn't go easily. The price of this lipstick is $125.
The next lipstick which I have is from Maybelline again, and it's in the shade Ambitious, that is 220, and this one is the liquid lipstick and it's a perfect red.
This is the bright red shade. If you are a red lipstick lover, then you might like this one because it is an actual red shade. The staying power of this lipstick is 9 hours. Unless and until you remove it using an oil-based remover, it won't come off. So yeah. The price of this lipstick is $699, but during the sale it ranges from $400 to $600.
The last one which I have is not a lipstick, it is a lip gloss. I thought of adding this one because the lip glosses are so in right now. And this lip gloss is from Sugar and it's in the shade Princess Aurora. If you are searching for a lip gloss which makes your lips look plumpy, then trust me, this is gonna work for you, because after applying this, you can literally feel a tingling effect on your lips. Don't worry, it is definitely safe, but it's gonna make your lips so plumpy. Like, who don't want that plumpy lips?
This is a transparent lip gloss. You can top it up on any lip shades, but I am applying it on my bare lips now. And the staying power of this lip gloss is 2 to 3 hours. Now I will apply it on the lipstick and show you how it looks. So it has got some shimmer particles in it, which makes
So
it
I will be
look
providing
shiny.
links of each lipsticks in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. And also, if you found this video helpful, then please give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to press that bell icon so that you get notified every single time when I come up with a new video. So till then, bye bye, see you, take care.